We're at Rise Biscuit and Donuts in downtown Durham, North Carolina. I hear they got some good stuff going on here. Everything goes self-serve kiosk. Get over there in those boxes in a minute. We're going to get our biscuit. So we're having to eat it in the car. Not the most ideal situation. You can't eat inside, but there you see it. I got the veggie sausage on their biscuit with pimento cheese. Looks mighty good. I'll let you know here in a minute how good it was to eat. So I'm about halfway through my Rise biscuit with veggie sausage and pimento cheese on top. And I can tell you, it's pretty good. I'm not going to give it 5 stars, maybe about 4.2 out of 5. The biscuit's just a little bit dry. The veggie sausage is flavorful. Pimento cheese is good. Overall, not a bad place to stop by and eat. But remember, can't eat inside. You got to eat in your car.